Hi, this is Bill Holt with Holt Home Inspections. I just wanted to show you a common issue homeowners run into, and that is with faucets at their kitchen, bathrooms, running into water pressure issues. Just turn this on. You can see that's on full on cold. That's on hot. This home is on a well, therefore you're going to get a little bit more buildup even with a water softener. So what I would recommend is, first of all, if you can get this off, there you go. Usually you can get these off by hand. Sometimes if you're going to use the same exact one, use a small wrench. And if it's a nice fixture that you want to keep, and you're going to try to keep the end here, as you can see, that's pretty much filled with deposits, minerals, lime, and just so what I would recommend on this one is either one, lime away, two, you could let it sit in vinegar overnight and maybe scrub it with a brush, or three, simply replace it. In this case, we're just going to replace it with the new one, and I've got that right here. There's the new one. Simply screw that back on there. Typically, just get those hand tight, and once again, there's the old one. It's pretty much shot. I believe I think this one was $1.99. You could pick them up from Lowe's, Home Depot, any of the big stores. There's the new water flow on cold. So just a quick remedy on that. If that is not your case, and you are on a well and you do have a water softener, you definitely want to check your salt, your water softener, and also the pressure on your tank to make sure it's you don't have a leak somewhere in your tank and you're not getting enough water pressure to push this through. This one was, like I said, pretty much at the end of its life. You may be able to take a scrub brush to that, get a little bit of pressure, but I don't think you're going to get what we got out of the new one. Thank you, and if you have any comments, please feel free to post. And again, this is Bill with Holt Home Inspection. Thank you.